guys, welcome to my channel Beauty and Beyond. Today I'm going to be talking about an Indian brand which is not talked about enough, but we should talk about it because it has some amazing products. I am talking about Kiro. They do not have a lot of products, but they have one in every category. So they do have enough products for a full face of makeup. I have some products with me and I'm going to talk about the products that I absolutely love from Kiro and the ones that I do not like that much. And I'm going to be creating this look with the product, so let's get started. The first one is this compact, which for some reason I couldn't find on their website because I think they have discontinued it. So I have two shades of them. One is called Ginger Ivory and another one is called Hazel Beige. Now I am not a compact person, so I have not used up a lot of it. You can see I think I've used it once or twice, so it is a very mediocre average kind of a compact, nothing extraordinary about it. Then we have this Glow On Blush Duo. It has two blushes in one pan and the variant that I have is 02 Fresh Grapefruit. It is available in 3 variants. ये blush actually टूटा हुआ है, but I will try to use it up. You can see the halat of this. This one had coral shades. One was more on the pink side and another one was more on the orange coral side. But mix होने के बाद ये सिर्फ orange ही बचा है, so I'll use that. This one is actually very pigmented, so I'll take a little bit of it. Do you see the color? It's a coral color. इसके साथ एक mirror भी है, which I love, and the packaging is so sleek. आप इसको कहीं भी लेके जा सकते हो. This blush also has very little shimmer particles in it, so it looks a little bit shiny. I do like this blush. It is pigmented. It blends very easily, and it gives that glow from within kind of an effect, which I really like. Then we have this Prism Perfect Highlighter Duo. It has two shades in one pan. Both of them are shiny, but I'm going to use the golden one because I feel the reddish one is more suitable for darker skin tone. The pigment is kind of buildable. मैंने first time जब apply किया था तब इतना blinding नहीं लग रहा था, लेकिन फिर मैंने second layer लगाया and it looks very blinding. I am not a fan of this highlighter because let me show you. When you are looking from a top angle, you can see that this one forms a shadow or a line here, and on this one I used the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, which is one of my favorite highlighters, and you cannot see any line forming here. I think this happens because they are not finely milled, but this one is not a good highlighter. अगर आपको ऐसा line दिखता है, ऐसा shadow दिखता है in any highlighter, it means that it is not a good highlighter. A highlighter should look like this, completely blended on your skin. Moving on to the eye products, which are actually my favorite from Kiro. So these are eyeshadow sticks and I have two shades with me. One is called Peachy Gold and another one is called Sandy Copper. So you can clearly see the difference. One is more on the peachy pink champagne side and another one is more on the brown bronzy side. When it is new, it comes with this pointed tip, but once you start using it, it becomes blunt and it takes this weird round shape. So I'll use the brown one for the outer corner and the champagne one for the inner corner. The one problem that I have with this is that when I try to blend it with fingers or brush, the shimmers kind of move away. Like the shimmers come onto your fingers and it looks like a matte black shadow. I don't know if you can see right now, but look at this. When I layer it up, the shimmers just come back. One thing I have to say, these are very shimmery. And when you move, the shimmer particles reflect light and it looks so beautiful. This is one and done eyeshadow. If you wear this, you do not need to wear any other eyeshadow. If you are a beginner who doesn't know how to, layer eyeshadows and, mix eyeshadows, blend eyeshadows, then this is something you can try, because even if it is a wedding or a function where you need high makeup or some shimmer effect, then also these eyeshadow sticks are going to work brilliantly because of the shimmer particles that it has. You don't even need to blend it. You can just apply and leave it like I have done. These are definitely worth checking. These are easy to apply. There is no tugging and pulling because it's very creamy and the shimmer particle stays on your eyes for a long period of time. There are many eyeshadow sticks जो आपके eyelids पे लग जाता है या फिर इधर उधर smudge हो जाता है थोड़ी देर बाद, but not this one. This is one of my favorite products from Kiro. This is their All Day Comfort Kajal liner and it actually stays all day. This is available in 3 shades, blue, black and brown. All of them are supremely pigmented and very easy to apply. Did you see the one swipe pigmentation and how easily these kajals glide? These are very creamy, so it can break easily, but it is highly pigmented. I will use the blue one in my upper lash line and the brown one in my lower lash line. So it also doesn't smudge once it sets properly. I said this is one of my favorite products because this kajal does not smudge, does not budge, and the pigmentation stays like that whole day. There are some kajals जिसका pigmentation थोड़ी देर बाद fade हो जाता है, लेकिन इसका नहीं होता. Then we have this waterproof soft eyeliner pen. It has a very beautiful pointed tip which I loved. अब इसको मैं पूरा खत्म कर चुकी हूँ तो इसीलिए मैं अप्लाई करके नहीं दिखा सकती, बट डैम दिस आईलाइनर वाज गुड. दिस इज वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट आईलाइनर्स. इसका प्राइस थोड़ा ज्यादा है ऑफ कोर्स एज कम्पेयर टू मेबलिन और लॉरियल, बट फर्स्टली एकदम मैट फिनिश देता है एंड इट इज सो लॉन्ग लास्टिंग. आई लव इट. द कलर डजंट फेड अवे एंड आप इसे इजिली विंग लाइनर अप्लाई कर सकते हो. बहुत ज्यादा पिगमेंटेड है एंड एज इट सेड वाटरप्रूफ भी है. अगेन दिस सुपर शील्ड मस्कारा इज माई फेवरेट. ये लॉरियल मेबलिन मस्कारा से बहुत बेटर है क्योंकि इसका जो ब्रिसल्स है या फॉर्मूला है इससे आपको बहुत ज़्यादा वॉल्यूम मिलता है, which is something I want because मेरा लेंथ अच्छा है लैश का लेकिन वॉल्यूम कम है. So I want my lashes to look voluminous and this one did that. This mascara and the eyeliner is a game changer. If you ask me कि मैं कीरो से अगर एक प्रोडक्ट खरीदना है तो कौन सा खरीदूँ, I would say either buy this mascara or buy the eyeliner. Then I have two lipsticks. One is called Lush Moist Matte Lipstick and another one is, I don't know, इसका नाम नहीं लिखा हुआ है inner packaging पे, but the shade that I have is called Nutmeg Nude in this one and this shade is called Tulip Blue. The one that I'm wearing is this liquid lipstick. You can see it's a beautiful brown kind of a lipstick but it has peachy undertones. And this is a pink lipstick. It's very comfortable. I loved using this. अगर आपको डेली वेयर के लिए कुछ चाहिए जो बहुत ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल लगे लिप्स पे तो this one is perfect. But this is not transfer proof. And ये शेड भी बहुत सुंदर है डेली यूज के लिए. Let me show you. It's a very pretty pink जो हर skin tone के साथ जाएगा. And this liquid lipstick is also very comfortable. It does not feel stretchy on my lips. It feels very comfortable and let's see if this is transfer proof or not. You can see very slight imprint of my lips. So you can say that this is 90% transfer proof. Even though Kiro prices are a little high, अभी Amazon पे अल्टीमेट ब्रांड सेल चल रहा है, कलर स्प्लैश सेल, जो कि 1st मार्च से 9th मार्च तक चलेगा and you will be getting amazing deals and discounts on a lot of brands, so don't forget to check out the sale. That's it for today's video. I'll leave all the links in the description box. Don't forget to check that out. I'll see you next week with another video. Take care till then. Tata.